guys, Shelby here. Today we're in the Atlantis in Nassau, Bahamas at the Royal Hotel, and we are in an Imperial room in the Imperial Tower on the 24th floor, which happens to be the highest floor. So I'm very excited to show you this nice, beautiful, gorgeous room. Okay, let's begin. So right now I'm going to show you the bathroom. The bathroom's gorgeous. It's very spacious, which is good. Much bigger than the other standard room, so you get a nice bathtub there. You get a cute painting of a dolphin. Nice painting over here. Nice bathroom. And then you got a walk-in shower, which is lovely, especially after going in the pool all day or the ocean. Very nice. And the other standard rooms actually do not have a walk-in shower, so this is what makes this room even more special. So we got a nice mirror there, hi guys, and beautiful sink. And it does come with these nice shampoos, lotions, soaps, which all the rooms come with, I believe. So here we go, we have this nice, it's called Gilchrist and Soames, I want to say. A nice oatmeal soap. Got the lotion, conditioner, shampoo. And I have the shower cap too. It's going to cover your hair. Okay, so we're going to go through here. And right now, it's going to be nice, beautiful. Let's see the nice photos here. Beautiful entryway. Nice storage under there. I'll open it up for you guys. If you ever want to store anything. Nothing's in there, but it's nice just if you want to like store stuff. Cool. And you got a huge walk-in closet here. It's very nice. You can store all your things in here. You could literally sleep in here if you wanted to. Honestly, you could put like sheets, a comforter, and then your pillows here, and like someone could sleep here. Obviously, I'm joking, but it could. It's so big. Alright, so we're gonna walk this way. And this is so beautiful. This is what makes this room so special. And it's around 5:30 p.m. right now, so it is a little darker outside. But the view is still stunning. So you got your cool table here, 2 chairs. You got 2 mirrors. Long mirror, so when you're getting ready, you can look in the mirror, which is cool. Nice, beautiful flat screen TV. Gorgeous. I'm telling you, this room is stunning. And then this here is what it's all about. We have 2 balconies, both the bay view and the ocean view, which is so stunning. Wow. That's what it's all about, guys. Look how beautiful that is. You can just smell the salt water from here, can't you? And this is an actual balcony. I know the standard rooms don't come with an actual balcony, but this one actually comes with 2. The other ones come with a French balcony, I believe. So let me show you guys 2 really cool wooden chairs for you and your friends, or family, or partner, or husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, anyone you want. Kids. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. This is paradise. So beautiful. Look at that blue water. And there. So gorgeous. And like I said, it is the evening, so it isn't as sunny as usual. But wow. I mean, wow. And this is just one of the balconies, and we are on the highest floor. So, our view is very cool. Alright, so we're going to go back inside. And this is the beautiful king bed. And it's huge. So beautiful because actually your view from this king bed, the ocean. Wow, right? And these blinds do open more, they're just shut right now. It's so stunning when you have beautiful lights. Look at these lamps, stunning, stunning colors, so tropical. Press them here, the lights are on. Got little reading lights, perfect for if, you know, whoever's sleeping by doesn't want the lights on, you could just turn that on. Very cool, cool design. The bed is super comfortable, super beautiful. You got this little bench here if you want to put any things on there. You got a nice dresser here with all the amenities. You have coffee. Looks like a K-cups, which is cool. Ice cups. They do give you a water bottle. There are refillable water stations around the resort, which is really cool. And that's free. A fridge. There are some food in there. We did bring some food. But there's so many dining options around here, you don't even need to bring food. Drawers. There's 3 drawers there. And our second balcony. So cool. And there's the bed. There's the balcony. So another great view. And this is actually the bay view. You actually see the other side of the island, which is really beautiful. Let's see if I can open this one. This one seems to be stuck, but I'll just show you guys here. Beautiful, huh? Imagine waking up to that every day. So beautiful. And we do actually have another balcony. So if we don't want to sit out there, we can sit here. So stunning. This is what it's all about, guys. This is paradise. Well, guys, thanks so much. That concludes our tour of the Imperial Room in the Imperial Tower of the Royal Hotel in Atlantis, Bahamas. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.